art and design are the two most powerful tools that we can use towards social change. And support of artists is support for so much more than what on the surface is categorized as art.
You know, there's the mortar that holds it all together. Arts Alliance becomes part of that mortar.
Public funding for the arts is one of the most equitable ways to get dollars in the hands of the creative community across the state. But we're also very interested in workforce development, creative worker supports, arts education, the Community Navigator program, where we connect the creative community to government resources, and Southside Artists in Sacred Spaces for capital investment and for space.
Individual artists are the backbone of the broader creative sector, and they are 4 times more likely to be self-employed, which means they lack access to health care, access to 401k, access to the typical luxuries that we experience as W-2 workers when working for traditional companies. And so Arts Alliance really seeks to increase investment and advocacy, develop policy legislation to ensure that artists have greater access to those resources.
There is real practical impact that we can have by showing up in Springfield on behalf of arts and culture. It's an opportunity for us to say, these are our challenges, these are the opportunities, how can you help us reach those goals?
I have seen many ways in which the advocacy work of Arts Alliance Illinois has shaped our entire sector throughout the state. I've seen new emphasis and support for arts education within CPS, laws and policies and procedures that have helped arts organizations.
Over the past recent years, as I've learned how the art sector gets funded to award artists opportunities to create work, that's when it became very clear to me how important Arts Alliance is.
The Help Desk has helped over 1,000 artists access public funding opportunities.
We're always going to face challenges, and so I think it's super helpful to have access to a help desk who could provide us with the resources and answers to all of the questions and challenges we may be facing.
Government and public funding can be a beast. There are a lot of systems to navigate. It can be tough to access. When organizations and businesses come to us and express the barriers that they faced, we can then go back and inform our policy agenda and continue to advocate for those needs.
They advocate for us in a space that we don't often occupy. They respect us, they know that we are creative problem solvers, and it's important to have organizations that can allow you an opportunity to have the space to be the artist.
Creativity is at the epicenter of everything that makes us who we are as humans. And so when we can engage in creativity, we can experience community healing, togetherness, love, and so much more.
In the last 3 years, for every dollar that has been donated to the Arts Alliance, we've been able to generate $250 that goes straight out into the arts and cultural community through public sector investment. It's a rising tide raises all ships effort, and an investment in the arts is an investment in the health and strength of communities across Illinois.